Morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on the time you're watching this video. And I welcome you to today's video tutorial. My name is Grace Alfred, and you can also call me Gift Grace. And we are going to be looking at how to make use of the Legend app to create text animated video. So basically, we are creating a video using text. So once you open the Legend app, this is the interface you are going to be meeting. All right, I've dropped the link that will help you to download the app on the group. So check the group if you have not, if you don't have it already, so you can just download it through the link that I sent to the group. Now there's something I want to point out here before we begin creating this video. Now, as a video editor, before you even bring out your phone that you want to edit or you want to create a video, you must have a rough sketch of what you want to create, of how your video wants to look like. So that means you must figure out what you want to do first. First thing first, you need to get your script, because for you to create a video or edit a video, you must have a script that you're working on. So let's assume it could be your own personal video you want to create or for a client. All right, so you must have something, you must have a message, you must have an information that you want to pass across. So in video creation or editing, we call it script. So you must have your script ready. All right, and then you have a mental structure, so to say, of what you want to do, because if you are not prepared, you notice that you spend the whole day racking your brain and nothing will come out. So even before you pick up your phone to say you want to create a video or edit a video, you must have a rough sketch of what you want to do. So once that is done, then you can now go to the app or to the software that you want to make use of to create or edit your video. So let's get started. All right, so like I said, this is the interface of the Legend app. So to begin with, you click on the mark sign. All right, now if you look at, we have the camera icon, that's the first. We have the image, then we have the video icon, then we have the delete icon, and then we have the back. So what is simply, you can take a picture. Probably you have the picture on your screen, so you can take the picture and work with. Why the image icon simply means you get image from your gallery. All right, and then this video icon is for you to be able to play and then add some stuff to your video to make it nice. All right, so let's assume I want to create, so I'll be creating a sample though, so that this video is not long, but then you take your time to put in more information as much as possible that you want to work with. So let's start. For me, I'm going to be using my class as an example to create this video. So I've downloaded some images that I need. Okay, so I'll just go to my gallery and search for the picture that I want to use. Okay, so I have one here because I'm talking about digital skills. Then your mark. All right, so this test now, you are gorgeous today, you can erase it and put your own. So for me, I'm going to say welcome. All right, video creation slash editing. is a digital skill that can make you relevant in today's world. Okay, so let's play it now. So you click on the, sorry for this ad. All right, so now you have options to choose from. That is, you have options of the animation that you can choose from. So we have daring, we have lines, and also watch how they are displayed. So you choose the one perfect for you. You choose the one perfect for you, whatever works for you. Okay, so let's assume I'm going with this. Now you have the way all right, so I'm going with this one. All right, so once you are done with that, you download it. Okay, look at the download icon up here. So you click on the download button. Now it's asking you to save as GIF or as video. So we are saving as video because that's what we are creating. So you allow it to load. So that is scene one, and you can have as much scenes. Sorry for this ad pumping up. So you can have as many scenes as possible depending on your video script. Someone can create a video with just 3 scenes or 4 or 5. So it depends on your video script, okay, what your video is talking about. That will determine, how lengthy your video will be. But the truth is, you don't want to make your video too long. Okay, max is 60 seconds max. Okay, but you want to capture the attention of your audience as fast as possible, so you don't want to drag the whole thing. So we are done with this, so we go back because you still want to add more. So you can see I will erase this, then add another picture. So go to your gallery again and then search for another picture. Okay, remember I told you I already have the images that I want to make use of, so it's much easier for me now because I already have everything I need. Okay, so since this is like a question, so it means I actually want to ask a question, and that is why I'm using this image. So one thing I also want to state is that the image that you want to use must go in line with your text. You don't want to write something and then the image is depicting another thing. Let's assume you're asking question of why people are depressed or what makes people to depressed. Obviously you cannot be using an image where the person is laughing. It doesn't make sense. So which means if you are creating a video trying to talk about someone, being worried or sad, it means you need to get an image of someone looking sad, not someone happy. Because if you put an image showing someone is happy and then you're talking about what makes someone depressed or what makes someone sad, it doesn't go well. So you must know that as well. Okay, so I want to ask a question here. Do you know you can do you know you can create stunning videos with just your smartphone, then question mark. So let's play, and then we get, do I like this? Okay, let me see. Okay, I think I go with this. So click on the download icon up, and then save as video. Then it's saved for you. All right, so let's continue. We are going to the third slide now. So click on your back icon on your phone to go back. All right, so I'm going to shorten this video to just about 4 slides or so. All right, which image do I need to use again? Okay, let me use this. So you can resize, the image to fit in. All right, you don't need sophisticated devices to to edit you. Okay, let me see. With the smartphone, with a smartphone in your hand, you can edit videos professional. All right, so we end there, and then we'll play it. Let's see. So make sure you use so don't just focus on one particular animation. You must check the one that works best for you. I think I saw one. Yes, I think I like this one. Let me change the color of the text. Wow, yes, I love this. So I'm using this. All right, now I also want to point out something, that when you're creating a video, it must have a call to action. So let's assume you are creating a video for a client that is into any business. It means it must have a call to action. So at the end of the video, you must be able people should be able to either call the person or message the person. So I'm going to be ending this video with a call to action now. So let me download and save as video, then go back. So this will be the last slide I'm going to be making use of. Okay, so I can just say, to learn how to edit video like a pro, Pro. Call. Okay. Okay, you must also note that this the text you are going to make use of is limited. For example, now I've used like 66. It was 100 characters. Now it's now 44. So you can only make use of 100 characters on a slide. So you must be mindful of that. So if the text you want to use didn't occupy that slide, you need to move to another slide. So you need to create another slide that it just is. So it's not a must that everything must be on one slide. So you need to break everything down. All right. Now all these slides that we have created are single, like um they are just separated, they are not together. So it just one slide, one slide. All right, now after this we are going to be moving on to another app whereby we are going to be able to merge these different slides that we have created, and you can add music, to it to give it kind of lively vibe as well. Okay, so all right, so I'm going to download this last one, and then we'll move on to InShot app now. Thank you for watching.